This is Wednesday's Eunoia, spoken by Elswyth. Now, if you're able, spread your arms wide. If you're not, pretend you're taking a stretch and spread your arms wide. If you have no arms, you are exempt. Now bring them back in. Deep breath in. Exhale. Touch me without using your hands. That's what you ask of me, and I provide. All good things come from Mistress. Our phrase so far, I am open. This is our phrase. It's the first half for this week. I am open. You can repeat that throughout your day. I am open. Isn't that liberating, exhilarating, freeing? You are open, and you are open to many wonderful things. Things that I may have planned, or simply things in your everyday life. I am open. There are two basic motivating forces, fear and love. When we are afraid, we pull back from life, and when we are in love, we open to all that life has to offer within passion, excitement, and acceptance. We need to learn to love ourselves first in all our glory and imperfections. If we cannot love ourselves, we cannot fully open to our ability to love others, or our potential to create. Evolution and all hopes for a better world rest in our fearlessness and open-hearted vision. People who embrace life. John Lennon. Open. Open.